Your resume is an 8 out of 10. Lagi ko sinasabi, basta single column, mababasa yan ng ATS. Kaya lang yung pagkakasunod-sunod, I would suggest na unahin mo yung education since fresh grad ka. Followed by professional experience and then certifications. Unahin natin yung professional experience mo. Lagi ko sinasabi, 3-step process, ARR. Action verb, responsibility, result. Action verb, okay. And then may responsibility. And then may result. So good. Second bullet, enhanced, system usability, responsibility, and then result. Okay. Then yung last bullet, action verb, conducted R&D. Ito yung responsibility niya. And then yung result niya is nandito sa unahan. So pwede nyong i-rearrange basta masusundan yung tatlo. ARR. Okay, sa projects, same bullet content. Kaya lang napansin ko yung bullet contents niya, describe lang yung project. I would recommend na at least maglagay ka rito ng 2 to 3 bullets each describing yung key contributions mo for each project. So, lagi mo titignan na ang project section is an alternative or an addition to your experience. Skill section, certifications, okay naman. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.